Meaning of gentleman's agreement.
Gentleman's agreement.
Gentleman's agreement.
Gentleman's agreement.
Gentleman's agreement. A gentleman's agreement is an informal and unwritten agreement between two or more parties. It is based solely on the trust and honor of the individuals involved, rather than any legal or binding contract. The term originated in the late 19th century when agreements were often made between gentlemen in business or politics. These agreements were considered binding and enforceable in the eyes of the participants, but they were not legally enforceable. Today, the term is still used to describe informal agreements that are not legally binding but rely on mutual trust and respect between the parties involved.